Building 3D applications is challenging. From development and integration to long-term support, every choice you make impacts cost, quality, and time to market. Many routes exist. Open source tools can look cost-effective, but offer no support or maintenance. Mixing components from multiple suppliers means constant integration headaches. Internal development gives you control, but hiring the right expertise is costly and distracting. OEM solutions are fast to adopt, but inflexible, expensive, and hard to replace. That's why leading companies choose Spatial. We are your one-stop partner, offering integrated 3D components and professional services. With fully integrated APIs, flexible licensing, and unified support, your developers stay focused on what matters, building applications that solve your customers' unique problems. Our workflow-based solutions help you address your complete manufacturing needs and empowers automation, flexibility, and growth. Spatial provides more than world-class 3D modeling, CAD interoperability, meshing, and visualization SDKs. We also deliver end-to-end services, responsive support, and expert consulting and training to guide your application development and beyond, ensuring you have the resources to innovate continuously and maintain a competitive advantage. With Spatial, you benefit from faster time to market, secure future-ready development, continuous innovation and differentiation, extended application lifespan, and maximized ROI. Our promise is to be the most trusted partner serving our customers to develop leading-edge applications with our expertise and 3D technologies. Get in touch today to discover how our solutions can help you create the next generation of 3D applications.